How to swap BNB coin to TWT coin at Trustwallet app. In order to swap BNB to TWT, we need to deposit BNB first to Trustwallet. We can buy BNB coin from Binance exchange and deposit it to Trustwallet and then swap to TWT coin. Now, open your Trustwallet app. Once logged into the app, click on BNB coin. Then click on Receive button. Then copy your BNB address here. Open Binance Exchange app. Once logged in, click on the Wallet tab. Then click on Deposit button and select BNB. Then click on Withdrawal button. Type the exact amount that you would like to withdraw and paste your BNB address, the one that you have copied from your Trustwallet app. Then click on Withdraw button. Just follow the prompts. It will ask you for the code that will be sent to your email and the code from your Google Authenticator app or off the app that was linked to your Binance account, and then confirm your withdrawal.
A few moments later.
After a few minutes, I have already received the BNB coin from my Trustwallet app. Now we can go ahead and swap it for TWT. To swap BNB coin to TWT, just click on the arrow tab at the bottom. Now, click on the Swap tab on the top, then select TWT coin under You Get. Then type the exact amount of BNB coin that you would like to swap. Then click on the Swap button. Then click on the Send button. After that, swap has been successfully completed. You can go back to your main dashboard and check your balance. As you can see, the 84 TWT that I have swapped has already been added to your main balance. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.